when the truth is found to be light. Go the joy with the new light. Don't you